Hello everyone, for today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how to use Kahoot. Kahoot is an educational game platform that allows teachers to either create a game or use a prefabricated game that they have found on the Kahoot library for their students. So when you log on to Kahoot, you're going to be presented with some options for a paid subscription with Kahoot based off if you're a business and professional, a teacher, a student, or for family and friends. Now, I would recommend just using the free version of Kahoot. I've never had any issues with using it. But of course, if you would like to have a paid subscription, you can choose to below. So if you're wanting to sign up for an account, you would click sign up for free. You would choose between a professional, a teacher, student, or family and friends, depending on what type of account you want to have. For today's, we're going to use login. Once you log in, you will be presented with this web page. There are different options. So you have an option to create your own Kahoot from scratch, or you can use the library by either choosing the library tag or searching above. So I'm going to click the search bar. Once you choose the search bar, you're going to be presented with different categories of options of quizzes that have already been made and are available for you to use. Now, please keep in mind that some of these categories have games that are not free. So you'll notice if I click on, let's say, free Kahoots for all, everything within there is going to be free. But not necessarily everything in the history category will be free. But for today's video, we're going to do the free Kahoots. And we're just going to scroll through really quickly. As you can see, they have Kahoots about NASA, Star Wars, Nobel Peace Prize, CNBC, grasslands, general knowledge. To do something fun, we're going to do get to know the bikini bottomites. It'll give you information on what age group it's suitable for, how you can do it live. You could assign it as homework or even study by yourself if you want your students to just go in here and learn different things. And it'll also provide teachers with individualized reports. You can actually link your roster and it will create reports for each of your students. I know, for instance, my biology teacher would do our quizzes on here and she would input the grade we received as you would a normal quiz. It's just a much more engaging way. So you click start. So you can host this for a live audience and pause at any time. You can do it as the assignment, of course, and then self-study. It'll just present you with this one more time. So you can have it randomize the question order and have your students choose between nicknames instead of having them choose names. So let's just click start live. It's going to show you different options. Let's say get to know Sandy Cheeks. It's going to start, and then it's going to present with a code for your students to join. They can do this on their own device or they can do it on a school issued laptop. So they'll type in this code or share this QR code. Now let's go back and learn about how to create our own Kahoot really quickly. So you click create, click Kahoot, and you can use a generator where it's based off AI. You type in information and it'll help create a Kahoot for you, or you can import lecture slides. So let's just say blank canvas. So you would start typing your question here. You could present different option choices, or you could change the test type, true and false, type answer, slider, pin answer, puzzle, and then these options below are requiring a paid subscription, but they are available as well. And you can also change the time limit the students have to respond, how many points each question has, the answer options. There can be multiple answers available. Just keep in mind that requires a paid subscription. And then themes. You can change the themes. These are free options, but of course there are paid options as well. So you can go and keep adding different questions. It'll ask you each different type as you go through the program. And then once you finish the quiz, it'll come up with an option that says save, and then you'll just host the quiz as you would retrieving one from the library. So I hope this was a very informative lesson on how to use Kahoot. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.